Okay, guys, we will be checking out this particular asset. Okay, this is GainX 999 on 15 minutes time frame, and we had this setup 2 days ago, and the signal was also dropped in the Telegram channel, and this is how it all played out. Okay, so we're going to be checking out the performance of this setup. We're going to be checking out how we came about this setup so that you too can learn how to generate the same thing. So if you are joining me for the first time, I will advise you to sit tight and watch this video to the end so that you will learn from the same method, using the same strategy which I use to generate this signal so that you can also do it on your own. Okay, it is very easy, very easy, and one of the easiest way to milk the market. Okay, if you know what I'm saying, you will understand this. Now, let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you um, are joining me for the first time, feel free to subscribe to this channel and make sure you also subscribe to the Telegram channel. And do not forget to like and share this video. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. I will be there to reply. So let's go straight into what we have right here. So this is GainX 999, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, just the way you are seeing it, I'm on 15-minute time frame. Um, the strategy which I use is actually very easy. Okay, it is called a trend trading strategy, and I'm going to give you a detailed explanation of it right here. For like 2 to 3 weeks, we've been making this market. We started milking it from here. I remember when I gave out this signal, a sell signal right from here, within the Telegram channel, and of course on YouTube, we milked it to the very end, till this end. That is the beauty of trend trading strategy, most especially when you know when the trend is switching from one trend to another. That is the best time for you to jump into the trade. And in this situation, you can see my indicator, which is a custom made indicator, made it known to me that this has actually got into a resistance zone, and it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend. And you know very well that before you can sell, it is better you do that from the resistance zone. That is, if it is not breaking out above the resistance zone. And that was what happened. It switched from this yellow color to this red color. Yellow color means it is on uptrend. The red color means that it is on downtrend, and it gave me the red arrow, which is a sell arrow, and I followed it, and we were able to milk it to the very end of the trend. Okay, so when we finished milking that, we had to wait for some time before it gave us an uptrend signal. Okay, we wanted to know if it's going to break out from the support zone, or it will switch back into an uptrend signal. And as we can see, it switched back into an uptrend signal from this red color to this yellow color, and we set up our trade, an entry point, an exit point, and it went as high as this. Okay, so when it got to this region, it started playing around here. So when I noticed that it was playing around there, which happened to be a resistance zone, I put this green line there just for us to see if it will break out above it. Okay, I think we had to wait for like 2 days before we were able to generate this current signal. As you can see, it broke out above it at this point, but came back into it again. And when it came back into it, I had to wait, because at that particular point, I noticed that there is a rejection there. Okay, when I noticed that there is a rejection there, so at that point, and if you remember, there are so many rejections here already. Okay, so I noticed that if it is not going to break out above this fully, and it means that it is going to find difficult to continue with the uptrend. So it switched into a downtrend. So I was waiting for it to switch into a downtrend. So it switched into a downtrend. At this point, if you actually have this, let's say you are having this indicator, somewhere here is where you should have come in. Somewhere here is where you should have placed your order, and this will have served as your stop loss. Okay, but because some of us are not having this indicator, I had to wait for it to give us more signals before I generate signals for you guys in the Telegram channel, okay? Because I'm doing that for free, okay? So, and this happens to be our entry point. You can see it, entry point for the signal I generated, which is this green line. And this is the stop loss. As we can see it, this is the stop loss. And right here, the first highlighted TP, the second highlighted TP, the third highlighted TP, the fourth one, and the fifth one, as you can see. So it's achieved the first one, it's achieved the second one, it achieved the third one, it achieved the fourth one, and it has just achieved the last one, which happened to be the fifth one. This is amazing. We post I actually posted this signal on the Telegram channel 2 days ago, and of course we can see this particular trade took us 2 good days, okay, before we were able to achieve all the TPs. Okay, at first it achieved the first two, went back, had a major pullback, and it came back down again, and as you can see, it's went down and started achieving each of these TPs just the way you are seeing them. Okay, so it is normal when you have a pullback like this. So far you are still in profit, then you are good to go. Okay, and so far it didn't get to your stop loss, you are good to go. So that is how we were able to achieve this. So what am I trying to say? The only thing which have been helping us in this year, or which we have also used throughout last year, is the strategy which we have been using, okay? And that is the trend trading strategy. We only decided to follow the trend. We came in here and we have been in the market since then for like 2 days, okay? Even more than 2 days now. And of course, we were able to achieve all the TPs. So congratulations to you guys. And for those of you who are just hearing about this strategy for the first time, all you need to do is to know when this trend is switching from one trend to another, know if it is from the resistance zone or from the support zone. And of course, if you are able to identify all these, then you will be able to milk the market with confidence. Okay, and of course, guys, if you don't know how to identify all this, you can also take advantage of this custom made indicator you are seeing on my chart. All you just need to do is just to reach out to me via WhatsApp for that. Okay, I will let you know how you can get one and have it installed on your chart. I will be stopping right there. Remember that this is coming from the Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.